going to begin with lesson activity 1, and here we're going to teach students the song using echo technique. There's a particular process we do or we use with echo technique. We introduce the beat using body percussion, model the song for students to hear, provide one verbal teaching instruction, we say echo, and then we have students echo back the song starting at the smallest phrase level, and then we gradually build upon that until they can sing the song from start to finish. You'll notice when I provide this example that there are pauses between my singing, and that's where the students would be echoing back the previous section that I sang. You might want to participate and be the student in this activity and just get a feel for how it works. We introduce the beat, we're patching the beat here. We cue students to join us, so they're going to hold the beat throughout the entire activity. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. Echo. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. I'm sure you noticed that I gave a little head nod to let students know when to enter, to echo my section or the section that I just sang. And at the very, very end, I also gave a hand gesture to just let them know when to finish the song. In lesson activity 2, we're going to only sing on beat 2 of the song. And this is just to let students start to get a feel of rest in music. And it also gives them a chance to continue to develop an understanding of the song while keeping them engaged by changing the activity. You might want to add in a couple of working toward activities here. You could sing the entire song and cue students to only sing the words on beat 2. You could sing only the words on beat 1 and have students come in and sing the words on beat 2 unaccompanied. And then you could take the scaffolding away and do this activity. I'm just going to model what that would sound like. I would also suggest maybe counting them in if you like here. Of course, you could always give them a head nod as well. But having a rest on beat 1 is quite tricky to start. So it's always good to give them a bit of help. 1, 2. Locket, pocket, Fisher, it, penny in it, ribbon it. In lesson activity 4 and 5, we're going to add some expression to the music using dynamics. In lesson activity 4, we're going to look at constant dynamics. And constant dynamics are singing consistently softly, singing consistently loudly. And in music, we have some terms, some Italian terms we use. Soft is piano, and loud is forte in music. So we're going to sing the first two phrases piano, softly, and the third and fourth phrases loudly in this activity. And it should sound something like this. We're going to start up the beat. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. You could also conduct the dynamics by singing softly with your hand low and loudly by moving your hand up high as well. In lesson activity 5, we're also going to be talking about dynamics. However, this time we're going to have a discussion with the class and we're going to allow them to be creative and we can suggest some ideas of what we could do. We could do the opposite of what we just did in activity 4. We could also use what we call variable dynamics, and they are crescendo, gradually getting louder, and a diminuendo, gradually getting softer. And as you just saw with my hand, we could conduct the class to follow the dynamics that we, as I said, just conducted. It would sound something like this. Always start up with the beat first. And Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. Moving on to lesson activity 6, we're going to focus students' attention to the syllable rhythm of the music, so the rhythm that we found in the song. And one of the ways we can explore this is that we can clap the small rhythmic divisions and we can stomp the longer ones. And the activity would go like this. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. And finally, as a suggestion, we could perform those rhythms by internalising the words. So we won't sing the song, we'll just clap the rhythm and it would go like this.